So welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these lovely chocolate gooey chewy chocolate chip cookies. So first you're going to start by cutting up your chocolate. Now you can use all the measurements on the description box down below. Now you can use semi-sweet dark chocolate or milk chocolate, anything. So and then you want to get a bowl and add some softened butter, completely softened, really soft. Now you want to use unsalted, otherwise it just always helps to have control over the amount of salt you're adding. Then you want to add some powdered brown sugar. Now the reason I'm using powdered is because here we always have it like granulated powdered sugar. So now I just whipped it up and this is how your consistency should be. It's just awesome, and this recipe has no white sugar, just brown sugar, and it absolutely is awesome. It's so good. Now you want to crack an egg. Yep, white, yolk, everything. And now you're gonna add some vanilla essence. I'm really sorry about that, you can only see half of this. I'll change it in the next video. So now you're gonna add your flour. All-purpose flour works great. So just sift it. It's always better to sift things. Now we're gonna add some baking powder. Sift that as well. And now you just want to fold. This is the technique for folding. Do not mix. Please don't mix. Just do this way. And now you also, after it's done, you want to add your lovely chocolate chips. Oh, they're just so good. And that you want to fold that in as well. Now you want to also put this in the fridge for an hour or half an hour. So if you're putting it in the fridge, put it for an hour. If you're putting it in the freezer, put it for half an hour. And if you have super freezer or something like that, you can put it for 15 minutes. And then just let it completely let it get pretty hard. It'll just be easier to roll out into balls when we have to bake it in the oven. So now I'm just folding the chocolate chips in, and it's always better to use chocolate chunks. You just get more of that gooey type of feeling, but if you have chocolate chips, you can use that as well. Your choice. Now we're just gonna butter the pan. Now I just have that same softened butter wrapper. There was a lot of butter left on that, so I just used that to grease the pan. Now you're gonna grease it pretty well as you can at least. You can also use oil, or you could also use parchment paper or butter paper, whatever you call it. But I just like to keep it directly in the pan. So now we're starting to roll out the cookie dough into balls. And now you just want to place it on the pan and leave a good amount of space between it. Now I'm just doing 4 each time. But you want to leave quite a lot of space because they're gonna expand so much. As you can see, they went to the side and there's a little bit burnt part, but that comes off really easily, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is how they came out. They are so delicious, especially with milk. It's very good. Now I used cooking chocolate, that's why I'm not getting that ooey type feeling, but you can use bar chocolate. That's what gives you that whole gooey and oozing of chocolate type of thing. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it would be awesome if you could give it a like, and if you could share it, and if you could also subscribe. That would mean a lot. So thank you for watching. Bye.